For the incline bench press, we are going to have an incline bench and obviously the rack with a barbell. For the bench, we want it less than 45 degrees, probably about in the range of 25 to 35. If it's too high, it ends up being a little bit too much deltoid and not enough of the upper pec, okay? So as we get set up in this bench, we're gonna have our feet flat on the ground. As we lay back and look up at the bar, we want it set up to where it's up above our head, okay? So that way we can pick it up and bring it out over top of where we need to start without the rack being in the way. It's really nice to have a spotter during this movement because of how far behind your head you need to have this bar. If you don't have a spotter, it's okay, it can be done. You just have to understand that it may be a little bit difficult to get that bar up, okay? So as we go to press, we want our back up against this bench. Head is just going to be in a relaxed position. And our arms, when we go down, we want our elbow to come at a 45-degree angle away from that shoulder joint. We're not out here at 90, and we're not in here close to the body unless you're specifically doing close grip bench, okay? So as we unrack this weight, we're going to lift it up and pull it out over top of our chest, and then we're going to come down to the upper half of our mid chest, okay? So right in the center of those pec muscles, we're gonna come down in nice and controlled, and then we're going to aggressively push up. Down in control, 45-degree angle away from the body, then press up quick. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the incline bench press. If you're curious about other movements, go ahead and check out my page, or if you have specific questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks, guys.